Hello, welcome back. I'm Gert De Mangeleer from Hertog Jan and Botanic Antwerp. We are in the city center of. We are situated in the city center of Antwerp, and we opened Hertog Jan at Botanic like 1 year ago. The kitchen that we, or the cuisine that we serve is actually it's a French-based cuisine with local ingredients, but with lots of Japanese influences. I mean, techniques and things like that. The next dish that we will prepare for you is a sashimi dish, but the sashimi we make from kingfish or hamachi, but the local one from the Netherlands, just across the border, so it's 60-70 kilometers away from here. So we will cut it in very thin slices, and we will combine it with some pickled cucumber, some cooked kombu, some kombu cream, a little bit of mishuma ukari. Mishuma ukari is actually it's a salt flavored with dried sishu leaves. And then we will finish it with some yuzu koshu oil and beurre monté from yuzu. So first we will start with cutting the sashimi. So we have some pickled cucumbers and some cooked kombu, and we will shape it on the sashimi. So it's not like traditional Japanese sashimi, but we will really bring it as a dish. So the cucumber is pickled with some Chardonnay vinegar, and then we have the kombu cooked in soy mirin and sake. Actually, what we are doing is like in the menu we first serve the 3 kind of caviar dishes that we showed before, and now this is the next one after the caviar with the kombu, and we try to connect the different dishes so that a little bit of the ingredient from the dish before comes back in this dish. So there is always a connection. Then, from my opinion, it gives a smooth evolution in the menu. So we'll put on half of the slices we will put the pickled cucumbers, and on the other half of the slices we will put the cooked kombu. And then we will shape it a bit. It's not only about the taste and the flavor, but also I think presentation is a very important fact. And then we will season it with some mishuma ukari, but just underneath, that you don't really see it or you really feel it, but you have the taste of it. We would like to have like a quite organic form with the fish. So this is the next one we will do is this. This is kombu cream. So it's the kombu that we cooked before, but this one we cook a little bit further, that it's really moist in the kombu, and then we made a cream of it, and we add a little bit more of the cooking broth. On top we will do some yuzu kosho oil. Basically this is grapeseed oil that we blended with yuzu kosho. We will season it with a very little bit of salt flakes. Then the following thing is, like, we have here kizumi nori. Actually this is very fine julienne from nori that we deep fried. So to give the connection with the kombu or the seaweed, but this also gives a kind of crispiness to the dish. And so we put it on top. And we have some sishu flowers. So like this we go to the restaurants, and then in front of the guest we will finish it with a beurre monté, so from yuzu. So actually it's a very traditional classic beurre monté, but it's instead of white wine or whatever or lemon juice, we used yuzu juice. So as here we have the sashimi dish from hamachi with pickled cucumber and fried kizumi nuri, and in front of the guest we will finish it with a little bit of beurre monté from yuzu.